Hi guys, welcome back to our kitchen. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Claudia, and I invite you to hit that subscribe button so you too can be part of our family. Today I'm going to share with you how I make a super easy and delicious breakfast crunch wrap. In case you guys want to know how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so first we're going to begin by making our papas con chorizo. So we're going to grab our frying pan, set it on medium heat, and we're going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. So we're just going to wait for the oil to heat up. And once oil heats up, we're going to add 3 medium-sized potatoes. Cut them into small pieces. We're going to season with garlic salt and black pepper. And we're going to mix everything together and allow our potatoes to cook for 7 minutes. And just make sure that you're moving them constantly. Okay, so after 7 minutes, we're going to add 1 roma tomato, a quarter of a small white onion, and optional 1 jalapeño. Now we're just going to cook it together for 3 more minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, get rid of some of the oil. And then move your potatoes to the side, and we're going to add 6 ounces of chorizo. I'm just going to break down our chorizo and cook it for about 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, our papas con chorizo are done. Of course, just make sure that your potatoes are nice and soft. You can see, super soft. So now we're just going to set them to the side and make our tostadas. To make our tostadas, we're going to grab our frying pan, set it on medium heat, and we're going to add enough oil to cover the bottom of our pan. And we're just going to wait for the oil to heat up. Okay, so once oil is hot, we're going to throw in our tortilla, and we're going to fry it until it's nice and golden. Okay, so once we have our tostada ready, we're going to remove it from the oil, drain the excess oil, and repeat the same process to as many crunch wraps you're going to be making. Okay, so once we have all of our tostadas, we're going to set them to the side, and now we're just going to make our salsa verde. To our small pot, we're going to add 6 tomatillos, chile de árbol, I'm using 4, chile serrano, I'm using 3, a quarter of a small white onion. Cover them with water, set it on high heat, and bring them to a boil. Okay, so as soon as our tomatillos, chiles, and onion come to a boil, we're going to turn them off and transfer them to our blender cup. Okay, to a blender cup, we're also going to add 2 small garlic cloves, a handful of cilantro, a quarter cup of water, salt and black pepper, and now we're just going to blend until we have a smooth salsa. Okay, so once we have our salsa, now we're just going to fry it. Okay, so once our oil is hot, we're going to add our salsa verde. And we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, so once our salsa comes to a simmer, at this point try it for salt and see if you want to add any more. And once you've done that, we're going to turn it off and set it to the side. And at this point, we're going to make our eggs. Okay, so of course, cook your eggs to your liking. I'm going to be using the same pan that I used for the tortillas, and I'm just going to wait for the oil to heat up. Okay, I'm going to add my egg, and I'm just going to fry it. Okay, so of course, just cook your egg to your liking. Just going to remove it from the oil and continue cooking my eggs. I'm going to be adding 2 eggs per crunch wrap. But of course, you can make them scrambled or just however you want to make them. Alrighty guys, so once we have our eggs ready, now we can get ready for the fun part, putting our crunch wrap together. So we're going to begin by grabbing our burrito size flour tortilla, and just make sure that it's a little bit warm, so like that it's easy to fold. Then we're going to add refried beans and just place it in the center. We're going to add a blend of cheese. We're going to add our eggs. And I'm going to flip them upside down, just like that. Now we're going to add our papas and chorizo. I'm going to be adding some avocado, queso fresco, okay, so now we're going to grab our tostada and dip it into our chile verde. Okay, now we're going to place it on top of everything. Okay, now we're going to get ready to close it. So just go around and just make sure that everything is nice and tight. Just go around. Alrighty, so once we have it closed, now we're going to toast it. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my comal, set it on medium-low heat. Going to add a little bit of butter, place and CRUNCHWRAP on top of it, and just give it a couple minutes. Okay, so after a couple minutes, we're going to flip it over and just give the other side another 2 minutes. Okay, and after 2 minutes, we're going to remove it from our comal, and now we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we have our delicious breakfast CRUNCHWRAP. Now we're just going to get to the good part. Enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this is everything that you want, you know, for breakfast. It's just perfect. Everyone enjoys it, and it is super easy to make. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. And always keep in mind that you can stuff it with whatever you want. So cheers and enjoy. And seriously, the best. The crunchiness from the tortilla, the chorizo con papas, the beans, everything is just perfection. So good. And the salsa, seriously the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make a super easy and delicious breakfast CRUNCHWRAP. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.